Hey everybody, I'm about to fly fixed wing for the very first time. This is a very trusting gentleman. Your name?
Andrew Walker. I'm actually all the way from San Antonio, Texas up here for the wing racing portion of today's event.
And you said it's your favorite plane?
It's my favorite plane.
And he's gonna let me fly it. That is a very trusting thing to do. I appreciate it.
Just like with any other type of aircraft, the first thing we want to do is some safety checks to make sure we're safe to fly. The first thing being just checking the control surface to make sure that they're moving in the proper direction.
Okay.
The last part of our check is just checking the rudder. When we go right rudder on the stick, we want to see the rudder deflect to the right. When we go left, we want to see it deflect to the left. So we're just waggle the tail.
Oh, look, he's wagging. He's happy.
One more
Good
time.
boy. Good boy.
The other cool feature about this plane, it's got an AS3X safe receiver in it. So it's just like your angle mode and your quad, where when you let go of the stick, the plane self-levels. And you'll see whenever I move the plane in any direction, it's correcting with the ailerons to get the plane back to level.
Okay.
Even if it was upside down, it'll flip the plane back over and right itself.
Okay, but you have it in wussy mode for me, right?
Yeah, when we turn the wussy mode off, which it's off right now, it doesn't do anything. You have to fly it full manual like a quad. But if you get into trouble in full manual, hit safe and it'll flip the plane right itself.
Yes, let's leave it in wussy mode. Woo, but you're gonna take off, right?
Yeah.
All right.
The controls are good. The flaps are down. We'll advance the throttle. And there she goes. You ready?
Yeah.
Let me get it going back.
Okay.
You ready? Okay.
No. Yes. Okay.
You got it.
Ooh.
Don't be nervous.
Don't be nervous. Someone telling you not to be nervous.
All right, give it a little left.
Am I coming around left all the way?
Yeah, give it some left. Roll hard left
Oh, hard left. Gotcha.
and left rudder. There you go, and that'll turn. That'll increase the turn rate.
Yeah. Now I'm getting a little bit lower, just so you don't panic. I'm gonna go around to the left again. Am I doing it in conjunction with the rudder? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Try to go full left and don't use the rudder, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Or go right.
Right.
Go right.
Okay. No rudder.
No rudder.
Oh, I see. Yeah. So
Pull
you.
back a little.
Yeah.
Give it a little throttle.
Yep. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh, this is fun. I'm flying a plane.
It doesn't help the plane to move the controller.
I know. I'm like this. I don't know what the heck I'm doing.
So see when you feed that rudder in, how much tighter it turns.
Yeah.
All right, keep flying. I'm going to turn safe off for a second.
Oh no! Don't do that.
Feel, just so you can say you flew in non-wussy mode.
Okay.
I'll wait till you come back the other direction.
Okay. I'm gonna go around to the right.
Okay.
Give it a little throttle.
Now remember, this is going to be just like a quad in full manual. If you hold the stick to the right, it'll go right.
He's essentially putting me in acro.
Safe off.
Safe. Oh, I see. I'm in non-wussy mode.
Yep, you're non-wussy mode. Try to do a turn.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay. Still.
Okay, go full throttle and pull straight back.
Am I doing a loop? Oh, sweet baby Jesus! I did a loop. You take it now. I can't. That's too much. Oh. I did a loop.
You did it.
It was tight.
Was it?
Oh yeah.
Man, that's a pretty forgiving plane if a beginner can fly it.
A little low pass.
Yeah. Oh man, that's great.
I'll do another low pass.
Are you, thank you. You bringing in for a landing?
No, I'm going to do just a low pass.
Okay. That was exciting. Did you see me? I did a loop, man.
I heard someone say sweet baby Jesus. So
So the preacher came. He's a preacher. So you're a thumber, huh?
No, actually I pinch when I fly my wings, but I thumb when I fly line of sight.
Nice. I totally see the appeal.
Yeah, it's
You know?
like I was telling you earlier. So the racing, the quads, the wings, you get your adrenaline going. At the end of the day, this is the plane I turn to because it's smooth flying. It just helps you relax, and it's just a perfect ending for a perfect day of flying. Especially, it's a great beginner plane also.
Well, thank you very much. That was amazing. Now I can say I've flown a fixed wing.
And did a loop.
I did a loop. Wow.
Next time we'll try a barrel roll.
Nah. Too much excitement for one day.
You may be curious how many people ended up in the water. Well, one guy ended up in there twice, and I almost ended up in here, as you can see from the rear-facing camera.
On the tone.
I'm a little wobbly without anchoring myself to the... Oh, nasty down. Nasty back up.
Wilkie 33.7. Land Air
Are you
37.5.
photobombing me?
I was gonna, but then you hit me with your arm.
Oh, sorry. I know.
Specimen PV 43.9.
Who was that guy? Well, that's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Oh, thanks for letting me fly your plane. Yeah, I got it. I got
You feel
it.
the motor?
I
How
do.
It's active now.
Yeah, yep.
If you lean
It-
back or front,
not going to do
just
that.
Shift your weight a little.
Yep. Appreciate you guys. Hope you had a real good time. Huh? Until then, buh and bye. I did it without dying and breaking a hip. All right.
Champ.
This video lovingly sponsored by RemotePilot101.com. If you are serious about making money with your drone, whether it be photography or FPV, well, then you're going to need from the FAA a 14 CFR Part 107 certification. And the best place to study for that certification is RemotePilot101.com. Jason Shepard is a pilot and author of 8 best-selling aviation flight training books. And yes, taking tests suck, especially government tests. But Jason breaks it down into 10 easy lessons into little digestible pieces that even someone like me can learn from. And if I can do it, you can do it, by golly. Each lesson is streamlined. There's no fluff. Everything you need to know for the test and nothing more. Plus, it's regularly updated, so if something new comes out, a new regulation, or the FAA just has a mood swing, Jason will let you know about it. There's never been a better time to get certified, so get the smarts you need to pass that test at RemotePilot101.com. Use Heron 18 to get 30% off. That knocks the price down to $104. Look at that! Boom! Magic time! You wouldn't drive without a driver's license. Don't fly without a UAS license. RemotePilot101.com. Do I want children? Let me think about that. I'd say no. That'd be a no.